Nobody can deny the popularity of Ford Broncos. The early Broncos are seemingly everywhere, but never in this color. Kiesha, tell me about what you brought out.
This is my 1973 Ford Bronco. It's hot pink pearl. It's a complete frame-up restoration that I did. It's taken me about 5 years. I bought it when I was 18. I'm 23 now, so.
It's really clean. I like some of the details that you've done to offset the hot pink pearl. Tell me about the look.
I don't like chrome, and the semi-gloss flat black look I thought looked really nice with the hot pink on it. So I just tried to stay with that, so everything that would be chrome is black.
Yeah, well, I think it works very well. What did you end up doing to the driveline of this thing?
I have a 302 in it. It has a 3-speed on the column. It has a 3.5-inch lift on it with 33-inch tires. Factory 9-inch in the back, 44 in the front.
And how about inside?
The back seat's an original seat. The front seats are aftermarket seats I put in that make them look nice. The original seats look nice, but these are comfier.
So they don't call them Broncos for nothing. I mean, these things tend to be, the short wheelbase. They can rock and roll going down the road. How does this one drive?
This drives awesome down the road. I actually had it doing 70 miles an hour down the highway, and it drives awesome. I can leave go of the wheel and drive straight.
Wow, right on.
Yeah.
Well, that's a testament to your suspension and your alignment person, whoever that was.
Actually, just no alignment, just the way it went together like that. Just tape measure on both sides, and that's all that's been done to it.
So you said that this is a frame up. What did you start with, and how much work did you have to do to this thing?
So I started with, it was a plow truck. It sat in a field for 10 years after that, so it was a complete rust bucket. When I pulled it in the garage, pulled it apart, took it down to the frame, the body just kind of fell apart. So I actually only used the grill off the original body. I bought a second body from the windshield back. It's actually an older style, because this is 73, but that's a half cab, so it's between 66 and 69. Then there's a bunch of new pieces on it as well. The front fenders, the rear fenders, the floor in it, kind of everything has been touched, everything needed done on it. I had somebody else paint it for me, and then I had help with all the body work on it. I helped with, I did the body work, but I had help because I had never done body work before, so I had somebody tell me what I needed to do, and I also had just help along the way doing it.
Is working on old trucks a hobby or something you do for a living, or how does that all go?
It's a hobby. I'm a registered nurse for a living, and this is just a side hobby. I love doing it. Time flies by when you're just sitting there doing something to it.
Yeah. What was the most rewarding part of building this truck?
Just the reaction of everyone else. They just love it. And when I first said I wanted to paint it pink, everyone was like, oh no, you can't paint it pink. It's going to be terrible. And everyone loves the color on it. It doesn't matter if you're a man, a female, everyone loves it.
So this area of the 4x4 Jamboree is it's a special area for younger builders. Tell me what's going on here.
If you're 27 and under, did most of the work to your vehicle yourself, you're entered into this contest, and if they think you're good enough to go out to SEMA, they take you there with your vehicle.
Right on. Well, that'd be cool. I've been there a few times. It's a great experience. Well, congratulations. You did a great job on the truck.
Oh, thank you.
Cool that you're in this competition. We wish you the best of luck. And what do you think of this event overall?
I think it's great. I've been coming here since I'm a little kid, so I love coming here, seeing all the different trucks. There's always different ones every year, and it's just nice to see the hard work that people put into their vehicles.
And now you're part of the show.
Yep.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yep.